Excuse me, madam. Do you speak English?
Yes. What can I do to help you, young lady?
I am lost. I want to get to the Eiffel Tower. Can you give me direction to it?
The Eiffel Tower? Oh, you are very far from it. You need to take the bus line 82. You then drop off at the park and walk for 5 minutes.
Where can I take the bus?
Over here. Do you see the bus stop in front of the library? The bus will be there in about 8 more minutes. You should be in a hurry. Don't miss it or you will have to wait 20 more minutes.
Thank you so much. You are so kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Are you finding a way to get somewhere?
Yes, I am trying to get to the Eiffel Tower.
Don't worry, you are almost there. I saw you looking very closely at the map.
Yes, I am a tourist. I just came here for 2 hours, and I can't wait to discover every corner of this city.
Outstanding. Where are your friends?
No partner, I am traveling alone.
Wow, what a brave girl. Where would you visit after the Eiffel Tower? I can show you the shortest way to it.
Really? Thanks a lot. How do I get to the Louvre Museum?
Good choice. Is it the most important of Paris' top museums? Okay, please give me the map. From the Eiffel Tower, you walk for 9 minutes to the bus stop. Then you need to take bus 72 to Mitterrand. From there, you just need to walk about 200 meters more. The museum will be on your left.
Oh, I get it. You are so nice, madam.
No problem. That's the right thing to do. You don't have to hesitate if you need help. Just ask the natives. We are friendly and most of us are able to speak English.
That's really awesome. I think I have to go now. Bye. The tower is so iconic, but now it's time to move. I also want to visit Notre-Dame, the Paris Cathedral too. Where should I go first? Excuse me, sir. I am sorry to interrupt you, but can you show me the way to the Notre-Dame de Paris Cathedral, please? I am a stranger here myself. Sorry, I cannot help you with that. Oh, you are a tourist too? No, I came to Paris to work, but I have just been here for a week. I still do not know much about the places. Sorry. It's okay, sir. Have a good day. Thanks. Sir, would you mind if I ask the way to Notre-Dame de Paris Cathedral? Sure. Go along the road to get to the subway. Then you get on a train to Saint Michael Notre-Dame. After that, just go straight ahead for 500 meters and then turn left after you pass the flower shop. Is it nearer to get to the museum or Notre-Dame Cathedral from here? I am not sure about that. I think it is the museum. Thanks for the help. Goodbye.
It's a pleasure to assist you, lady.
Hey, I am not good at finding the way. Where is the bus stop? The woman on the bus said I just needed to walk for 9 minutes. But I have been walking for 15 minutes already. Where is it? Is it so hot today? I think I am going to get crazy. Hey, hi, little girl. Can you help me, please? Do you speak English?
Just a little bit.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
You are going the wrong way.
Am I?
Follow the sign to the bus stop. You will pass a mini mall on your left. The bus stop is next to it.
Could you speak up, please?
I said follow the sign and pass the mini mall on your left. The bus stop is just beside it.
Oh, got it. Thanks. You are so helpful. What is your name?
I am Sophie.
Hi, I am Olivia from the United States.
You are so beautiful. Would you buy me a flower?
Sure. How much for it?
Only $2.
Here you are. Save the change. Thank you for your help. Goodbye, Sophie.
Bye, Olivia. Hey, do you want a tour guide?
A tour guide? Why do I need a tour guide?
I saw you struggling with the map. It seemed that you don't know how to use the map yourself.
What? No way. Of course I know how to use the map. I am a college student, Sophie.
Then why did you keep asking people around you for directions?
That's weird. How do you know about that?
It doesn't matter, ma'am. The point is, do you want a tour guide or not?
Who will be my tour guide? You?
No, not me. I am busy selling the flowers. I will introduce you to someone else who can cheer you up for the whole trip.
Who is that?
This is my brother, Robert.
Huh? Wow, your brother is handsome. Hi.
Hi, Olivia. I heard your story. I can help you. May we go now?
Yes. Could you show me the way to the bus stop? I want to visit the museum.
You don't have to. Just take this road and walk to the corner. Continue straight on past 2 traffic lights until you see a bridge. Go down there and take the first right. After you pass the cinema on your left, take a right at the next crossroads.
Oh my, it is so complicated. I cannot remember it.
Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Follow me.
Huh? But I don't know you.
I told you I am Robert. I know what you are thinking. I am not a serial killer. Let's go. You are in Paris. Just take a risk. I will blow your mind up.